Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. In the previous lessons, we learned how to open Windows Explorer, how to create and rename a new folder, how to copy and move a folder, also how to delete and restore a file or a folder from recycle bin. Today, we are going to learn the various viewing options that are available in Windows 10. So first, Windows 10 provides many ways to arrange and identify your files. While you are viewing them, the information can be viewed in different modes available in the View option. Let's open the Videos folder. Here we can see there are different folders and a file is there. Okay, so look, these are the different viewing options available in Windows 10. This is extra large icon option where you can see the icons of the folder or the files become very large. This is large icon option where the icons are just getting a little smaller than the extra large options. These two can be very useful when working with the images and video files. Next is the medium icons option. When you click on this option, you can see the size of the folders becomes a little smaller. Medium icon view displays the file or folders as medium sized icon, giving you a better idea of the file content. The next is small icon. Small icon views display files and folders as small icons without a preview of its content. Look, in the previous way you can see a little preview of the file or folders, but in this one you can't see preview of the file or folder. In the small icons option, the file name is displayed next to the icon. These are the small icons and the file name is displayed next to the icons. Now come to the next option, that is list. List view displays the contents as a list of files or folder name preceded by the small icons. This view is useful if your folder contains many files and you want to scan the list of a file name. You can sort your files and folders in this view. The next option is Detail view. The Detail view provides detailed information about your files and folders. You can see in Detail view you can get the name of the file, the date when the file is modified. The next is type, which type of file it is, like this is a folder, this is also a folder, and the last one is a MP4 video file. You can also see the size of the file and the length of the file, that means how much long is the file. As it is a video file, so it also shows the length of the file. The next viewing option is Tiles. Tiles view displays the files or folder as a medium sized icon. It also displays the basic information of the file present, such as its size and type. You can see here the item type MP4 video file, size 148 MB. Now the last one, that is content. The content view displays each files and folders on a separate row along with the other details information like date modified, size, the author name, the frame height, the length of the file, and etc. So these options are very useful while you are sorting your files or folder, or to search or view a file or a folder. Next, we already know that this left side of the folder is called navigation pane, right? and this right side of the folder is called write pane. There is another two option, that is, one is preview pane and the next one is detailed pane. In preview pane you can see one more part of Windows is here, where whenever you select a file or folder you can see a preview of that particular file or folder. Okay, now let's come to another. This is a picture folder. Okay, let's click on this picture. You can see the preview of this picture. Okay, the another option is detailed pane. In detailed pane you can get all the details of that particular file or folder, like when the picture is taken, tags, if there is any tag associated with the file or the folder, rating. Okay, this is the dimension, this is the size of the file, title, you can also add a title to this one, the author, who actually click or who actually write this one. The next one is comments, if there is any comment with the file or folder. Camera make, as it is a picture, so it is also a given option, camera make. When you take a picture from your mobile, you can see your mobile name at this place. Camera model, you can see your mobile details at this place. Next is the subject. You can also specify a subject like beautiful flowers. Next, when the file is created and when the file is modified next. When you select a folder, you can also see the detailed option of the folders are available here and the icon of a folder. So today we learned the various views available in Windows 10. That's all for the day, students. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a nice day.